Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is squid masala. So let's begin. Here I've taken my pan and kept it on high flame, to which I'm going to add my clean cut squid rings, and I'm going to spread it a little and put the lid back on so that it starts leaving water. Meanwhile, we can chop other ingredients like one onion and one tomato. Spring onion is just optional. Sprinkle some salt so that it starts leaving water faster and put the lid back on. I have no idea why we do this, but I think this is how it's done. Now, once you see this water coming from the squids, you have to separate both and keep both aside. Okay? We're gonna do the rest of the things in the same pan, so let the pan dry and then you'll drop 3 tablespoons of oil, and once it's hot enough then you will add your onion and capsicum and fry. As in, if no capsicum, it's totally fine. Okay, I had some leftover in the fridge and that's why I used it, not that the recipe calls for it. Just toss it a little, saute it well, and once you see that it becomes slightly pinkish, then you can add your ginger garlic paste. You can also use freshly ground ginger garlic here, but I was lazy, so saute until the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes, and then you add the chopped tomatoes. Now I have peeled the skin of the tomato because I don't like seeing tomato in my food. I want it to be completely mashed. So what I did was I added some salt immediately after adding tomatoes. That's a tip. Put the lid on and let the tomatoes cook well. Once the tomatoes have sauteed and become mushier, then you add your powder masala. I've taken 2 tablespoons of chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of haldi, turmeric, and 2 tablespoons of coriander powder. Now you saute and fry the masala as well here, okay? Now drop the squid water you saved earlier and mix well. Once the mixture starts to come to a boil, you add the squid rings. Saute it well in the mixture. I needed the extra flavor, so I added some curry leaves, curry patta, and sauteed it once again, and then I put the lid back on. Once it started bubbling a little, I tasted the gravy and along with the squid, and I thought that the squid didn't catch the masala properly. Okay, so I added some more salt because the salt was also less, and I dropped some more water, say about 3/4 glass, not much, 3/4 glass, and I let the squid cook in its masala again. Put the lid back on and wait. Lastly, sprinkle your coriander leaves. Okay, now I like my gravy a little thicker than this, so I let it cook for some more time until the gravy thickens. You can leave it watery or whatever, it's your choice. That was it. This goes best with rice, and you don't need a separate dal gravy or any kind of curry. It's not that dry, so you can just put it on your rice and have it. Yummy. Try it, okay? And let me know what you think. Subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment, and I'll leave you with the music as always. Bye.